Right, so we're at Racebrook Tract, and I don't know if you can hear the river, but my God, after raining all night and most of the morning, this thing's going hard. Yo, wait, guys. I mean, I'd like to go down, but I'm not sure. Should we? No, not this way. Guys, let's try. You know what? Hey, come this way. Come. Oh, is that a path? Is there a path? Come. Roof north. No, well, it's not very much of a path, is it? Well, for them it is, not for me. No, guys. Rufe, I need something softer. Look at this. Come with me. Okay, so this is a bit of adventure. Not this way. No, come with me. Come. I'm trying to get them to a place where I can also go down without falling. This way. Come. Bruce. Very good. There we go. Okay. Whew. A little bit of adventure. Woohoo! Slowly. Hey. I don't know if Piglet. I know Rufus is dying to go in. Oh my God, look at this. Yoo-hoo! Piggy wiggy. Roof. Baloo. Wait, guys. They are loving it. Piglet. Piglet's taking the safe way out. He's gone. I don't know if you can see him. Hey, Pigler! Yeah, it's okay. They're playing a little bit. They're loving it. Hey, Roof. God, this is gorgeous. Ah! I have to get taller boots and go in. I don't have them. I lost mine. Ella, go! A bathtub. Good place to train in swimming, huh? You have all this force against. No. He's loving it. Hey, Balulu, where you going, Baba? Ah, Piglet is hilarious. He just isn't even coming down. Roof, come. Ella, Roofer. Enough, come. Wow, look at this fellow. Rufus, come on, Bob. Laura, you gotta be very proud of your babe there, huh? Well, babe. Look at Pig. Where's he? Piggy! Chicken! Chicken!